International Day of Persons with Disabilities is being observed across India today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted that we must reaffirm a commitment to keep working towards inclusive, accessible and equitable future for our Divyang brothers and sisters. A 9-member team of Manpack will leave for Delhi today to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah. The team is all set to discuss further on the CAB and the Indo-Naga-Pes Accord. Manpack have been protesting against Citizenship Bill in Manipur and Northeast under NEFIP. Arunachal Pradesh Health and Family Welfare Minister Alo Libang launched Matru Vandana Saptah, a celebration which aims at intensifying the implementation of Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana PMMVY. It is a maternity benefit program launched throughout the state and nation. Assam Minister of State for Health and Family Affairs Piyush Hazarika appealed to the people of the state not to treat doctors as their enemies. The minister was referring to 2 incidents of agitation against the doctors in last 4 months in the district.